If you're looking for an intricate, offbeat kind of video about AI, stick around because in this one, we are diving into Fanvue, a platform built to connect AI and human creators. Fanvue is a platform where creators, whether human or AI, can earn money by sharing content and connecting directly with fans. What makes it stand out is its focus on AI tools like voice notes and smart messaging that help creators earn around the clock, plus a strong commitment to transparency, speed, and innovation. This platform, Fanvue, is built for all types of creators, for all kinds of creators, including adult content, and gives them full control over monetization without the usual App Store restrictions. So, if Patreon, OnlyFans, and ChatGPT had a baby, boom, it would be Fanvue. Think of it this way: if your physical body is a C-, but your creativity is A+, Fanvue can absolutely help you monetize. It opens up opportunities for all kinds of people, biases removed, race, gender, age, doesn't matter. Your potential is defined by your ideas and how you turn those ideas into AI-generated characters. In this video, I'll show you how to become a creator on Fanvue. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive deep. It all starts on the sign up page. Just create an account and log in. Right away, I'm taken to the featured page where I see both AI influencers and human ones. Let's click on Lucy Robson, a professional golfer. Here I can subscribe to her page, get exclusive content, and even chat privately. As you can see, her subscription costs $14.99 a month. And if I manage to capture someone's attention, I could charge something similar. Now let's click on Become Creator. I have to complete all the steps, including the referral code. Well, I don't have one, so let's skip it. Country, United States. I select I create content. Continue. Now I need to pick a category. I just want to be a funny alien, so I'll go with funny. Continue. Gender female. Continue. Now for the profile picture, first I'm going to generate my avatar. I'll use ChatGPT's Sora for that. Here is my prompt and let's generate. My photos are being created. Hopefully at least one will meet my expectations, but generally speaking, there are plenty of tools you can use to create your AI influencer. I've reviewed dozens on my channel. Some can even maintain consistent characters across multiple generated scenes. Oh, look at these images. I love them. I'm actually going to use both, downloading them now. Let's name her Violette Zarn and continue. Here's the bio. Violette is from the planet of love and she's a cosmic heartbreaker on a mission. For the subscription price, I'll start low, $3.99 a month. The max allowed is $100 a month. Next. Now comes identity verification. I click continue and move on to the KYC process. Why? So Fanvue knows its creators aren't criminals or on sanctions lists. It's a quick and standard step. You go through the same thing on crypto exchanges and paid platforms. KYC completed successfully. One final step. I need to explain how I heard about Fanvue. I review AI products, so I heard about Fanvue from one of the industry experts. Let's press continue and my profile is now created. I'll click finish and get straight to business. At the end of the day, I'm here to make money, right? Violette Zarn looks amazing, but my profile is extremely raw, sitting at 38%. Let's fix that right away. I click complete profile. Let's create a banner. I go back to Sora and tweak the original prompt, adjusting dimensions to make it more rectangular. Let's see if it works. Surprisingly, the facial features stayed consistent. I'll use this image as the cover. Looks good to me. Now let's make a video. Uploading the image and now I'm writing the prompt. I'll generate a short 5 5-second video without much animation just to complete the tutorial quickly. However, I suggest using tools that generate speaking avatars with text-to-speech, something more advanced than ChatGPT. I've reviewed a bunch of those tools too. But for now, I'll use a simple video. It looks a bit creepy, but it makes me smile, so I'm keeping it, uploading, and save. Perfect. Next step, automated message. I click add an automated message, then try the customize with AI option. Oh, look. The model generated a message for me based on my profile. It clearly knows the vibe I'm going for. Let's save that and move on. Time to create the first post. I'll make it available to both followers and subscribers. I'll generate another image. This time it'll be a purple alien blowing a kiss at the camera. Let's try a remix on Sora to keep the style consistent. The image is ready, perfect. Let's use it on Fanvue. Here's my message. I'm sending all my love to my Fanvue subscribers and followers alike. I hope to share all of my alien love with you. Just be there for me. Sounds personable. One last step, I'll skip for now social media. I don't have any social media accounts set up for Violette yet. Maybe later. Take a look at the creator tools. Insights shows you traffic and activity data. Vault stores your posts. View is your calendar. You've got tools for paid media links, tracking links, promotions, automated messages, lists, and account management. It's just like setting up a Facebook page, except now you can actually earn money. Like any business, making money on Fanvue takes time and consistency, but the good news, anyone can do it. No limitations, because with AI tools, you can generate almost anything. You don't need a words to be a young, attractive person. You can be anyone. With just a bit of creativity, you can build a full story around your Fanvue profile. Be whoever or whatever you want. Create your superstar character and let people appreciate your creativity by paying for it. Fanvue is still brand new, so you can be one of the first to ride this trend. Go all in, and if you need great tools to create your AI character, check out my videos on shark numbers. I've reviewed tons of tools for avatar generation, voice generation, special effects, AI movie tools, and more. The market is full of free or at least affordable tools to make your vision real. All you need is creativity and diligence. AI will handle the rest. That's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.